Are you eager to dive into the world of PCB designing, but not sure where to start? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to PCB Playground, where we make PCB designing easy and enjoyable. In this video, we will guide you through the process of learning PCB designing from scratch, covering everything from schematics to Gerber files. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get started. Schematic. Understanding schematics is the first step in PCB designing. It's like the blueprint of your project, outlining all the components and their connections. Don't worry if it looks intimidating at first glance, we'll break it down into simple steps for you to grasp easily. Let's explore the world of schematics together and lay a strong foundation for your PCB designing journey. Convert PCB. Once you have your schematic ready, it's time to convert it into a PCB layout. This transition can be a bit tricky, but with the right tools and techniques, you'll be able to create a visually appealing and functional PCB design. We'll walk you through the process of converting your schematic into a PCB layout, ensuring that all connections are accurately mapped out. All connections. One of the critical aspects of PCB designing is ensuring that all connections between components are correctly established. A single mistaken connection can lead to a faulty PCB, causing a lot of headaches down the line. We'll show you how to double-check and verify all the connections in your PCB design, ensuring a smooth and error-free operation. Gerber file. The final step in designing is generating a Gerber file, which contains all the information needed for manufacturing your PCB. This file includes details such as copper layers, drill holes, and component placement, ensuring that your design is accurately replicated during production. We'll guide you through the process of creating a Gerber file and preparing it for manufacturing, bringing your PCB design to life. Congratulations! You've successfully learned the essentials of PCB designing, from schematics to Gerber files. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the fascinating world of PCB designing further. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PCB Playground for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and remember, the only way to master PCB designing is through practice and continuous learning. Happy designing!